Hi, welcome to Power Trade. Myself Brijesh Wagani. At last, short covering rally and Nifty already 250 to 20 पॉइंट up. कल के वीडियो में मैंने बोला था कि आई डोंट फील एनी फॉल फ्रॉम हियर. कोई कोई तो ये मैसेज करता है कि जो पहले फॉल आया था वो फॉल आएगा क्या, या और 1000 पॉइंट नीचे जाएगा क्या. 1000 पॉइंट नीचे जाने के लिए खाने का काम नहीं है. Every sellers have a buyer and every buyer has a seller. सिर्फ इतना है कि buyers are more than the seller. कोई रीजन है क्या नीचे जाने के लिए? नहीं है. एट लास्ट एफआई ने बाई किया है. एफआई डेटा लेट्स सी. एफआई कुछ 1000 करोड़ में चेक किया था. एफआई ऑलरेडी बाइंग 511 करोड़ and DI 851 करोड़. See, bank FI's favorites are PSU banks, private sector banks are the favorite. But the problem is that the Nifty, if Nifty is moving 220 points, so at least Bank Nifty should be rallied around 500, 600 points. But Bank Nifty is just, you will see 170, 180 points up. So you can feel next move might be Bank Nifty. Yes, 500 to 600 points. See, this is a very strong engulfing candle, and this closing is very strong closing. It 50 for 18 142. If this sustains, then you can see again a very good run upside. I'd given you stocks of Infi and TCS 2 or 3 days before only, right? Now we will see where it is going. Infi is already, we had given from 1780 to 90 points up. आफ्टर गोइंग मतलब रैली होने के बाद, नहीं करने के बाद, ऑलरेडी वी हैव टू फाइंड इट फ्रॉम द बॉटम, राइट. TCS already 36 point up. Reliance is up. So what next? Next, I feel that Bank Nifty will touch 39,164 is first resistance, and second is 39,271. If this two if is removed, then you can see a very good short covering rally in Bank Nifty. Yes, it will be a very good short covering rally. FI should be in buying side because they like private sectors, bank sectors, this also. Okay. Then too, there was a Bharti Airtel we had given yesterday. It's up from there 14 to 15 points, right? UPL so we had given at 690 something. Right now it is 769. Okay guys, so I think so that this rally should sustain and we can go again in the bull run. Everything is now fine in the market, means everything is hotels, industries, you will see factories, everything is removed. Means COVID rejection is removed from everywhere. And what was the reason of this fall? You will feel this is all the profit bookings and FI was selling. If FI is again go on selling side, buying side, You can see a very good short covering this. All shorts will run away and it will give a very good move upside. Okay guys, so trade cautiously, and if you like our video, do thumb it and do subscribe it and share it with your friends. US is already 80 points up right now. That means you can see a very good gap up again on Monday, and if it is gap up, then sure this they all the put all the they have to cover their positions and they will run it for this. Okay, thank you very much.